Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Natasha Farina binti Amri, my track number A19A0605. We are from Group 1. We're going to discuss about challenges and opportunities of Islamic banking and financial institution in Malaysia. Introduction. The article Challenges and Opportunities of Islamic Banking and Financial Institution in Malaysia was written by Nur Akila Zainuddin, Monica Salvaraja, Ng Yiman and Low Sun Hong. The purpose of this paper is to investigate the opportunities of development and growth by identifying the main challenges to Islamic banking and financial institution in Malaysia. According to Disuki and Abdullah 2007, the major issue in development of Islamic banking and financial institution in Malaysia is the awareness of public toward Islamic financial industry is severely low. The concept of Islamic banking and financial institution refers to a system of banking that complies with Islamic law. The underlying principles that govern Islamic banking are mutual risk and profit sharing between parties. This study aims to find out the main challenges which are currently faced by Islamic banking and the opportunities for development and growth of Islamic banking in Malaysia. So that's all for introduction. We continue to the next part.
Assalamualaikum. I am Engku Narfatia binti Engku Ismail from Group 1. So I will explain about the finding for this research. So the main reason that this article had been made is to find the main challenge and problems that faced by the Islamic banking and financial institution in Malaysia. The researchers are conducting a questionnaire and given to the 100 respondents to clear these problems. It can conclude that there have four main challenges that faces by the Islamic banking and financial institution in Malaysia, which is first, we have misunderstanding and lack of standardization of financial institutions. Next, we have legal challenge, and the third one is limited market-based financial intermediation and products, and lastly, we have concentrate banking, which is in the limited risk management functionality. Okay, for all the four that I have mentioned just now, the researchers found out that misunderstanding and lack of standardization of the Islamic financial institution in the Islamic financial concept is the most main challenge that affect the development of the financial institutions. Which is over 100%, 79% of the people that agree with this statement. And it is also proved by Hamza in 2010. And the other researchers also highlight that there are differences in Islamic cultures and societies from the different countries that make a lot of misunderstanding and lack of standardization of the Islamic financial industry. And then this is because of that, misunderstanding and lack of standardization is the most common challenge that need to faces by the Islamic financial institution in Malaysia. Okay, the second challenge that affect the development of the Islamic banking and financial institution in Malaysia is legal challenge. Legal challenge are getting 63% supported by the respondent. And then it's also proved by Iqbal, Ahmad and Khan in 2009 in their research. So this is because Islamic banking lack of effective supervisory framework. And then Ahmad Ibrahim also found that commercial banking and company law does not implement the Islamic banking contract. So that this is make the challenge for the Islamic financial institution to proceed their authority or rules. Okay, let's go for the third challenge that affect the development of Islamic banking and financial institution in Malaysia, which is limited market-based financial intermediation and product. This challenge get 57% of the respondents agree with the statement that this is also the main reason that Islamic banking and financial institution faces right now. So this is also proved by John Wiley and Son in 2011 in their research. And then this is because Islamic financial intermediaries exposed too much due to lack of money market and shortage of the short-term investment. And then Archer and Karim also proved that this challenge due to incompleteness of traditional financial instruments that apply in the Sharia law. Okay, lastly, we're gonna talk about the limited risk management and functionality. So among the respondent, they have about 52% respondent that agree with the statement that limited risk management functionality is the main reason that affected the development of the Islamic banking and financial institution. Why this happened? And this is proof of by the Gruning and Iqbal in 2007. In their research, they claim that Islamic banking just focus on a few selected factors and avoid themselves from the competition among the sectors among each other. So, as a result, it can make Islamic bank and become a cyclic shock in a certain sector easily. So that's why this is also the main reason why it's affected the development in Islamic banking and financial institution.
Okay, the next part, we go through the conclusion part. As a conclusion, we found that many challenge of Islamic banking and financial institution, which is limited market-based financial intermediation and products, concentrated banking, risk management functionality, and misunderstanding and lack of standardization of Islamic financial concepts. The top challenge that faced by Malaysia is misunderstanding and lack of standardization of Islamic financial concept, which is 79% among all the other four challenges. As per the independent construct, larger number of respondents has agreed with this statement. It means that this is the most critical challenges that faced by Malaysia right now. Financial institutions in Malaysia has been geared up for more Sharia compliance financial instruments and structured finance, both on the asset and liability side. It enables Islamic religious beliefs to be reflected in financial arrangements and transactions, thereby fulfilling the financial needs of Muslims in accordance with their faith. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.